MacDrop. A MacDrop unmanned systems is the perfect toolkit for search and rescue and other public safety operations. Today, we check out what's in the box.
Welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to show you what is actually in the Macatawa Unmanned MacDrop sling load system. So this is the unboxing video, and what you'll notice first is it comes in a nice bag. So this bag you can put on your truck, your fire truck, in your squad car, or wherever you need it. You can also just stick it in the box with the actual drone itself. So the M210, again, this is what this works with, the M210, DJI M210. So let's show you what actually comes with. So coming from us, it comes in this bag. This is the Macatawa MacDrop sling load system. You'll open it up. You'll have one GoPro-esque mount for your M210 system. This also works with the M200. If you would like that separate, this can be purchased as a separate item if you just have an M200. So there's that. You also get 6 screws, 4 of one kind and 2 of another. Comes in this bag here. You'll see those screws right there, 4 of one type, 2 of the other. They'll go on the mount system. Then we have the actual system itself. This is the MacDrop system. It comes with a power cable. This power cable connects to the back of the UAS or the drone. Then you have this right here. We call this the safety mechanism, just in case we don't want these connecting when we don't want them to. So we stick that on top, and then you get a click, can't connect. Then you have the actual locking system. So once it's locked, it's difficult to get off, and it takes quite a bit to undo it. So there you have it. What's in the box? The sling load system, power cable, system, mounting bracket, screws, carrying bag.